I'm here today to do my November Boxycharm unboxing. I got this in the mail about a week ago and then I was super busy with school, so here I am a week later unboxing it for you. I did open it on the day I got it because I needed to see if I got the infamous Natasha Denona palette that I saw was coming in some of the boxes. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Harvest. This is a super cute card. I really like that. So we will reference that. So since I brought up the Natasha Denona palette, I did get it. I am so happy. I'm so excited. It came in this sketchy cardboard packaging, but it's fine. It's fine. So this is the Peak palette. It comes with 5 different eyeshadows. And it's beautiful. This packaging is so weighted. It has a fancy closure. Like, it just, I'm so excited. I heard somebody I know got this and I was like, oh my gosh, like I hope I get it, because I literally don't keep up with this to even know what's gonna be in there other than the item that I choose. So I did end up getting this. It says a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Viva, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And it is worth $48 and is a Boxycharm exclusive. And I really like the shade selection, very neutral colors. So you have a like matte cream, a burnt orange color, a nice medium brown, pinky color, and then this metallic like gold silver color. And I do have this on my eyes today. I really liked how it blended out. These are very powdery, the mattes. Were very powdery, I thought, but I do think they blended very well. So I used this all over my eyes to set my primer, and then I used this color. I don't know what they're called, which I guess this is the matte would be AYA, and then I used Amhara, which is this pinky color, all over my crease as like a transition color. And then I put Jasper, which is the orangey color, directly into my crease. And then I put Thorn, which is the brown color, in my outer V, and then put the metallic color called Shine on my lid. So there's that. I think they blended nicely. I like how it looks. So yeah, there is that. I'm very excited that I got this in the box. The next thing I got is from Farsali. It's the Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. Hydrate and Replenish Bimolecular Hyaluronic Complex and Pro Vitamin B5. It says a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. And this retails for $24. Skincare is something that I would prefer to get makeup, but I like to try different skincare products and see what they're all about. This seems like it would be good. I think this would be good to use because I talked about in my last Boxycharm video that I get this weird dry skin situation going on, and maybe that could help with that. We shall see if that does anything. I have not used any of these except that eyeshadow palette. Then we have the product that I got to pick. So for this month, I decided to go with the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. I just like getting mascaras in the box just so I don't have to go out to buy them. I have them in backup, so when I run out, I have one I can just open up. This says it's a waterproof, intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil, and it's worth $24. This package, I don't want to open this because I want to keep it in here until I have to open it, but I'm excited to have a mascara. I like that it's waterproof. That's always nice. So I'm excited to use that. Then the next thing I got is the Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. So the card says, a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes, and this is worth $45. Oh geez, I just about dropped everything. This is worth $45, and here's what the packaging looks like. So put this on for 5 to 10 minutes and then massage in circular motions and rinse clean. So there's that. Always love a good mask. So excited about that. And then the last thing I got are these brushes. These are super cute. These are Moda Metallics by Royal and Langnickel 2-piece Ultimate Eye Sculptors. The box or the card says, define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes specially designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold color is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity. And it's worth $15. I'm gonna go ahead and open these so we can look at what they actually are. They're kind of hard to get out of the package. Okay, there we go. So, oh, that's interesting. So this one is a crease brush. I really like these. I love a good crease brush. Always can use. It's very nice and fluffy. I like that. And this one's very interesting. This says it's a triad eye. And it's kind of like, it's a triangle. So I feel like that would be good for like to put some shadow in your outer corner or your outer V area. But that's interesting that it's actually a triangle. So there's that. That should be interesting to try out. So that is all I got in my November Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you picked up this month in terms of makeup or what you got in makeup subscription boxes. I would love to hear it. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.